Okay. We are going to talk about existence. There is a problem in my stomach, guys. I feel very bad. There is something here. Talking about existence, we express the word there. So, there is a teacher. There is a class. This is a class. When we are expressing existence, we use this word there is or there are. There is or there are express existence. Things that you can see around you. For example, thinking about my room in my house, there is a bed. There is a single bed for me for sleeping. There is a bathroom. There is a window, right? There is a window there, and there are two dogs. There are two dogs. Let's take a look to the structure. Okay, in singular cases, we are going to use there is. For singular cases, we are going to use there is. For example, there is a bed. There is a bed. Another one, there is a desk. There is a desk. So every single time I talk about singular cases expressing existence, I will say there is. Now, in plural form, instead of using is, I will use are. So, there are two chairs. There are two chairs. There are three lamps. There are three lamps. Okay. Now, for expressing negative form, the only thing or the only detail we are going to add is not. For example, there is not a lion in my room. There is not a lion, oh my god, help me, right? There is not a truck in my room. Imagine how I am going to sleep with a truck in my room. So, there is not a truck in my room. These examples are singular. Now, let's take a look to the plural form. There are not 4 beds. There is only one bed. There are not 4 beds. There are not 10 dogs. There are 2. There are not 10 dogs. So, plural form, there are. Singular form, there is. Remember, guys, that the meaning of the word a means one. Can be a or an. That the meaning is one, singular only. That's why we say there is not a lion or there is not a truck. We are not going to use these words our and or these letters in plural form. Never. Okay, now let's take a look to the questions. In question form, in singular case, yes, I need to move verb to be, that in this case is, at the beginning of our sentence. So, is there an iPad? Is there an iPad in your room? Yes, there is. Or no, there isn't, right? Is there a computer? Is there a computer? Yes, there is a computer. It's my computer. Now, in plural form, I need to move one more time verb to be at the very beginning of the sentence and it's are. No? So are there two cars in front of the house? Are there two cars in front of the house? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. Are there ghosts behind your door? Are there ghosts behind your door? No, there aren't. Yes, there are. Now remember, we use there is or there are. There is in singular cases, there are in plural cases. Negative form, we need to add not, there is not, there are not, and if you want to make a question, just we move verb to be at the beginning, is there or are there. Any questions?